Hello everyone, welcome to Geek Python. So today we are going to make a future calendar in just a 4 line of Python code. So let's get started. First of all, we will import calendar. Calendar is a module in Python which helps us to make a different calendars. And now we will enable the user to enter the month int. Here we are using a int function, which means integer, because all the numbers are integers. Input, enter the year. The same year we will using for month. So let's copy out it and paste it here. So y is equal to, in place of y we will use month m. So now we are going to print the calendar. Print calendar the month, year comma month. So now we have made our program to make a future calendar. So now let's run it. Pressing F5, enter the year. So we are going to see the calendar of 2031 of month 3rd. So now let's run it once more. So now we want to see the calendar of 2041 of a same month. So you can see that both calendar are different. So that's how you can make a future calendar in just a 4 line of Python code. Goodbye for we will meet in the next video.